Mastering the art of layering, a key fashion technique. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's often used in fashion contexts. Do you do layering? Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about fashion terminology, this video will unpack the meaning, use, and significance of this stylish phrase. So, let's get started and explore the art of layering together. Do you do layering? Might seem straightforward, but it packs a lot of meaning. At its core, this question is inquiring about someone's personal style or fashion technique. Layering refers to wearing multiple articles of clothing on top of each other, each layer visible and contributing to the overall look. This technique can vary greatly depending on the season, the wearer's personal style, and current fashion trends. Layering isn't just about staying warm. It's a deliberate fashion choice that adds depth and interest to an outfit. It allows for creative expression through mixing textures, colors, and patterns. When someone asks, "Do you do layering?" they're often probing into your fashion sense and whether you utilize this technique to enhance your personal style. If you're asked, "Do you do layering?" and you enjoy experimenting with your outfits, you might respond with, "Yes, I love layering. It allows me to be creative with my wardrobe." If layering isn't your thing, you could say, "Not really. I prefer simpler looks." This question opens the door to discussing fashion preferences and sharing style tips. For those new to layering or looking to refine their skills, here are a few tips. Start with a basic foundation, like a simple t-shirt or blouse. Add layers of varying lengths and textures to create visual interest. Consider the weather and occasion to choose appropriate layers. Experiment with colors and patterns for a unique look. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing phrase, "Do you do layering?" and inspired you to experiment with your fashion choices. Layering is a fantastic way to express your personality and adapt your wardrobe to any season. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning and cultural nuances. Happy styling, and see you in the next video.